In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add frames in Adobe Express. Frames are a quick way to give your photos a polished, on-brand look, and the process is simple once you know where to find everything. Start inside your Adobe Express project so you can see your canvas. On the left side, look for the panel with all the creative options. Click Elements. This is where Adobe Express keeps visual building blocks like shapes, graphics, and, most importantly for us, frames. With the Elements panel open, use the search bar at the top and type Frames or Photo Frames. This will bring up a variety of styles, from clean geometric shapes to decorative borders and cutouts. Take a moment to browse and pick a frame that complements your image and layout. If your photo is vertical, a portrait-style frame will feel more natural. For social posts, a square or circle often works best. When you find a frame you like, select it to add it to your canvas. It will appear as a placeholder, ready to hold your photo. Think of it like a window. Anything you place inside it will be masked neatly to the frame's shape. Now, drag your image into the frame until it snaps in place. You can click and hold your image from wherever it lives in your project, such as your uploads or recent assets, and drop it directly onto the frame. As you hover over the frame, you'll see a subtle highlight or a snap effect that confirms it's going to fill the space. If it doesn't snap right away, aim for the center of the frame or zoom in slightly so you can place it more precisely. Once your image is inside, you can fine-tune the look by resizing or repositioning the frame on your canvas. Use the corner handles to scale the frame larger or smaller and drag it to the exact spot you want. Pay attention to composition and breathing room. Leaving a bit of space around the edges can make your design feel more balanced. If the image feels cropped too tightly inside the frame, gently adjust the frame size until it showcases the subject the way you want. When you're happy with the result, you're ready to download or share. Head to the top right controls to download your design in a format that fits your needs. JPG for smaller file sizes or PNG for high-quality images. If you're collaborating or posting online, use the share options to publish directly or send a link. That's all it takes to add frames in Adobe Express. Quick, clean, and professional.